Hello, everybody. It's been a while. I know you folk are eager for an update, so here's another. In a perfect world, I'd love to say that in the past 2 months I've reached some massive milestone, and that this video is about that. But in truth, I've just been busy. Work, some poor health, and a non-zero amount of procrastination have slowed progress a bit. But I'm finally at the point where enough changes have accumulated that it's worth putting out another video. And so this is that video. I also went out and bought a second-hand mic, so hopefully you're all feeling the effect of that. I put it off for a while because I don't want to feel like I'm a YouTuber, but I guess that boat has somewhat sailed given how much you've all enjoyed the last few videos. The first change is a big one. In the original game, stages were split into segments, allowing rendering to be disabled for areas of a stage that aren't visible. This so-called stage segmentation was an important optimization that kept the game running relatively smoothly. Given the fairly extreme constraints the GBA is running under, I also had to implement this feature too, and so I've done that. It's somewhat imperfect right now. There's a whole laundry list of changes that need to happen. Camera work, better transitions, and asset work to add fake corridors behind partially open doors. But it's a good start, and it's allowed us to open up a lot more of the castle for exploration, which is great fun. Last for things in the castle, paintings. There's not much to say about them right now other than that they're a special kind of stage surface that causes an event trigger to run, in this case a transition to another stage. Maybe the most exciting recent change is the addition of some of the first interactive elements, enemies. At the moment, they have no animations and only very basic behaviour, but they can kill you, and you can kill them. That counts, right? There's so much work yet to be done here that I considered not even showing them off, but they do nicely prove a point. The engine can indeed run at a playable speed with enemies and other interactable entities present. That said, care really must be taken. The performance margins are so narrow that even seemingly innocuous changes can have a surprising impact on performance. Every bit of extra work done by the CPU counts, especially if that extra work involves rendering. I've also been working on adding more movement abilities to the game. In addition, I've had several people ask to see the game running on real hardware, and also many questions about controls, so hopefully a video will kill two birds with one stone here. New in this update, we've got monkey bars, bonking on walls, slide kicks, improved idle animations, punching and kicking, And that just about covers the latest changes. Sorry there wasn't all that much this time. On every video I get questions about whether this project will ever be possible to download. Unfortunately, as mentioned in previous videos, I can't publicly release the ROM because the assets are derived from Nintendo's intellectual property. That said, both the code and the player model are both entirely original, so in time I'll be able to give you folk the next best thing, the source code to play around with and modify to your heart's content. I'm excited to see what people use it for.